Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make color wheel on your own using cadmium red, cadmium yellow and ultramarine blue. These are the three primary colors and these are warm colors. Directly apply primary color on a color wheel. Take equal quantity of red and yellow and mix it to get the orange color. Then I am going to apply on a color wheel. Add extra yellow to orange to get yellow orange. Go ahead and paint that in your color wheel. Then I am going to add extra red to the orange to get red orange. Then paint on your color wheel. I am going to add equal quantity of yellow and blue to get green color. Then painting on the color wheel. For tertiary, add extra yellow to green to get the yellow green. Add extra blue to green to make blue-green color. Last, we are going to make purple. Add red and blue in a correct proportion and mix it. Add extra red to the half of the violet to make red violet. Then paint on a color wheel. Add blue to violet to get the blue violet. Do create your own. If you like this video, do subscribe for more such videos, and thank you for watching.